Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to create subcategories in your Shopify store. I'm in the process of building up my Shopify store, so I figured I might as well show you some tips and tricks along the way because it can be extremely overwhelming. Now, for this particular video, you might want to check out my previous videos because it's going to show you how to add pages, how to create a navigation menu, also create collections, which could help you in categorizing things a little bit better and keeping things organized. That might not pertain to you as far as the collection thing, but for me, that's just, the route I choose to go. And so what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to our Shopify store. Once we do that, we're going to go to the left side panel and we can see that there is something called sales channel and online store. You're going to click online store. Once you do that, you're going to want to go down to navigation and it's going to populate this navigation page. Now we are going to go and click main menu, and you can see that I already have some things. I'm just going to reuse something that I already have. Now there's a few ways that you can set up your website, but this is my preferred method. So we're going to go to add main menu or add menu item, sorry. And we're going to name our menu item. So for me, I'm just going to use digital stickers again. Now you can say a search or paste a link. You can link this to a home page, but I wouldn't need to do that because it's not a home page. Your search page, I don't need to do that because that's not what it is. We can do collections, which again, if you choose to create collections with your products, this would link all of those products to this page. You can do an individual product. You can do pages, blogs, blog posts, policies. Now, because I don't necessarily want them to go to a sticker page where it has all of my products at this point in time, I'm just going to link it to a page. And I've already created this page, which is why you probably, if you choose to do it this way, should watch my other videos to figure out how to create pages. So I'm going to do digital stickers and I'm going to add. Now you can see that it has added the item down at the bottom. Now what I want to do is I want to add a subcategory in here. Like you can see how I added the subcategory up here and up here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add the item. I'm just going to do the same thing, beach, and then I'm going to decide, is my product part of a collection or is my product, its own individual thing? And so my product, I only have one beach themed thing for digital stickers right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to link that page, that subcategory, to that individual product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on product. You can honestly link it to all products if that's all you're doing, or you can do the individual products that you have found. So I have an individual product and then I'm going to add. Now you can see that I now have digital stickers and then I also have beach. Now I want to create this as a subcategory because as of right now, let me actually show you. As of right now, these would be their own individual links. Now you can see that they're their own individual links. You can see that it says digital stickers and then it says beach. And, if I click on beach, it's going to go right to that. If I click on digital stickers, it's going to go to its own little page. But I want it set up where if I click on this digital sticker, it's going to go down to, the beach theme. And so what we're going to do is we're going to head back over to Shopify. And once we do that, we're going to go down to where we want the subcategory. So what I want to do with this beach tab right here is I want to click over the 6 little dots and you'll see a little hand up here. You're going to pull it or click on it, and then you're going to pull your mouse to the right. Now you can see that there's a blue line with a white circle on the end. You're going to want to make sure that it is reaching to like the middle, like lining up where those 6 dots are, and you're going to click that. Now you can see that this is going to be a subcategory. Now, once we head back over to my main page, you can see that it has now collapsed it. So now we have our digital sticker as the main category. And once we click on that, you'll see that beach is under that. And once I click on that, that links to my product. Again, if it was a collection, I would link it to a collection, but right now it's just an individual product. And so that is how you add subcategories in your Shopify store. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.